Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to get a refund on AliExpress and keep the item. So open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders section. Now find the item that you want to get a refund for and tap on it to open order details. So it should look like this. Then you should find the button Open Dispute and press it, and this will redirect you to Open Dispute page. So here you should select Refund Only button, and here you should select a dispute reason. So it could be wrong size, damaged item, not as described, etc. Then here in this section, refund amount, you should enter full refund amount if the item is useless, and partial refund amount if you still want to keep the item. And here you want to in details explain what is wrong with your item, so describe your issue. And in the very end, here you should upload your evidence, so provide some photos, videos, maybe screenshots showing the issue. And do not forget to submit it by pressing the submit button at the bottom of your screen, and then all you have to do is just wait until your seller responds to you. Seller may negotiate, or AliExpress will decide what to do next. And if approved, the money will go back to you. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.